Gabriel Bestard, and I'm excited to introduce you to Goji, a cool new smart lock system for managing the access to your home. Goji is a sophisticated electronic locking system for the home that you can manage with your mobile phone. It includes an elegant lock for the home and a powerful, easy-to-use mobile application that lets you control access to your home and keeps you informed about it. With Goji's new capabilities, you decide who has access to your home on a person-to-person basis. A new kind of control and certainty that's never been possible before. It's state-of-the-art in both technology and design. Now let me show you how it works. Using your phone, you lock and unlock the door when you come and go without having to carry keys. Goji can even be set up to unlock automatically when you approach the door, so no more digging through your pockets or purse. Goji is optimized to be used with your mobile phone, and it also includes programmable fobs that you can use to lock and unlock your door. These are great for children who don't have their own phones yet. There's also a mechanical backup key included in case it's ever needed. If you misplace your phone, you can call or log into our 24-hour support center, and we can immediately suspend access associated with that phone and help you get back into your house. With Goji, you'll never have to deal with duplicate keys for your house guests again. You can just send them a text message that gives them access to your home, and you can even set start and stop times for them. You can give recurring or one-time access to people that need to enter into your home while you're away, like a dog walker, a housekeeper, or a neighbor. This also means no more worries about getting keys back from long-term contractors or builders. Another important feature of Goji is the immediate real-time information it gives you about the access to your home. Goji can send you an alert when one of your users accesses your door, and we are especially excited about this. You can see who's at the door when the lock is activated. A camera sends you a picture alert for extra security. All activity is recorded and kept up to date in a log that can be accessed from your mobile application or from your account webpage. Parents love that they can check what time their kids get home. Goji is designed to be totally do-it-yourself. It is easy to mount on the door. With a simple Wi-Fi setup, Goji walks you through every step of the way. It is battery operated, and it will send you app alerts and text messages when the batteries go low. Besides being advanced on the inside, our new lock is forward-looking on the outside too. Our design team's goal was to make a modern new lock form that would look great on any front door, and I think they've done a fantastic job at it. Goji gives you complete control over who accesses your home and when. This is a great feeling for a homeowner to be able to manage all of this so easily and so clearly. If you would like to help us bring Goji to the world and get one for your home in the process, we invite you to come and support our project. Reserve your Goji today.
Oh, Jesus freaking Christ. Oh, what year do we have? 1, 2, perfect. Whoa, what a bay. Wait, did I? Great, late for work again. Aggregating, holistic. Did I close the door in the morning? Whew, I did. Man, this work is killing me. Gotta chill. Damn, did I leave the... Oh, sweet Jesus, have mercy. I took the key, but did I lock? Whoa! What the heck?
Introducing Locky, the world's most affordable smart home safety assistant. You see, Locky can totally change your life. Want to know how? Locky helps you locate your keys with a track and find system. You can now be as scatty as you want.
Well, hello there.
Our smart app will notify you if you forget to close the door or didn't take your key out of the door.
That's right.
And if you equipped your loved ones with Locky, you can also receive notification anytime they enter the home, which is great. For example, when you want to make sure that your children have returned home safely.
I don't even have kids.
Hey, maybe you will. Don't lose faith. Meanwhile, you can check the history of locking and unlocking your door anytime, anywhere you want. With Locky, you can forget about worrying if you close the door or not. Forget about forgetting. It will give you the peace of mind you need and deserve. Locky is the middle ground between a smart lock and key tracker. Just connect Locky overlay to your keys and check the status of your door without any complicated mechanical installation. One Locky can track the status of many doors. It fits almost 90% of all the keys and works great with the master key. It's light, minimalistic, and elegant, but also covers the sharp edges of your keys. It will help you feel safe when you're alone at home. And the best thing? Unlike smart locks, Locky secure your home but does not open the door remotely. So it's impossible to hack it and get inside. So while Locky takes care of the important things, you can just relax. Oh, but there's no need to worry. You don't need a magical intervention to get Locky. Just join us today and help us cover the costs of the first production batch.
Oh, she didn't take it. I'm lucky.
Support Locky.
I'm just a guy standing in front of you, asking you, have you seen my keys? No? And you never will. With KeyWe, your lock opens with a simple passcode. No key needed. Store up to 20 different passcodes depending on your needs. And KeyWe is also Bluetooth operated. It uses low-power Bluetooth to automatically unlock when you approach. And then relock after you've entered. Here's the problem, you might say. What if the power goes out? How will I get inside? KeyWe Smart Lock also comes with a physical key for emergencies and millennial nostalgia. And your doors are protected by ANSI Grade 2 deadbolts, keeping out unwanted guests during a blackout, even during the purge. And KeyWe keeps a record of everyone who's entered my home, sending push alarms to my cell whenever someone opens my door. Perfect for going out of town. But what will that mean for my guests? This is Tim. Right now, he's at my office, even though I'm not. Since I can control multiple KeyWe locks with a fabulous app, I can let Tim into my office from home. I can also send Tim a one-time passcode, so he can let himself in. What about long-term guests? Long-term guests are easy with the KeyWe guest fee. I can schedule an event so that my friends have free access during their stay. My guests can let themselves in, and the key expires after their stay, making it perfect for Airbnb. And when I say that KeyWe is smart, I mean it. KeyWe connects to your other smart appliances and services because it's compatible with Z-Wave. This means that KeyWe connects to home hubs like Alexa and Google Home. Let's say that my friend Tim forgets to lock the door after he leaves. I'll get an alert from my hub and lock my door remotely with the app. KeyWe can be the first appliance to alert your hub at your home. But what if you don't have a hub yet? Then use Wi-Fi to connect your phone to KeyWe, whichever and whatever way you need KeyWe to be. KeyWe is a smart appliance that works with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Z-Wave. KeyWe, a seriously smart door lock.
Lose or forget your key again. Your renters or employees leave without returning the key. Want to know who has opened your door and when? Need higher security level for sensitive doors? You need a smart lock. Introducing Ultraloq UL3 BT, the world's first Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock. Ultraloq is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology. If you have a smartphone, you can unlock your door in Ultraloq app through Bluetooth Low Energy connectivity. You still have the mechanical key for backup. Ultraloq's Knock to Open feature allows you to just knock on your phone twice, even when it's in your pocket and you're in. Ultraloq integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies to eliminate the use of key. You will never be locked out again. In Ultraloq app, you can view logs of who has entered and exactly when they did, see who has the access and how, and even clone users when you install a new lock. For quick user management, just use touchscreen to simply add or delete user on the device. No problem if you don't have a smartphone. Ultraloq has an outstanding battery life, up to 8,000 times of access, powered by 3 AA batteries. It sends you low battery alerts on both LCD and app. Ultraloq is IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof with strong zinc alloy casing. We selected the best chip providers in the world to ensure best performance. Ultraloq is ideal to be installed in your storage room, office, rent home, gun room, wine cellar, etc. It makes your life much simpler and safer. Ultraloq. Simplify your safety. Please back up today on Indiegogo.
This is Gate, the first all-in-one smart lock. Gate is the first all-in-one system to conveniently manage who comes in and out of your home. It's your personal doorman, protecting everything you hold most important and connecting you to your guests and services. It includes a smart lock with key access that can be controlled remotely by mobile phone or computer, 2, a keypad entry system, 3, a motion-activated camera with audio and doorbell, and 4, a secure Wi-Fi connection. Imagine, your kids come home from school and can not only let themselves in, even if they forgot their key, but you also get a notification based on their personal passcode.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Good, I got an A+ on my math test.
All right, good job.
Your Airbnb guests arrive and receive a text with a random and secure temporary passcode that is valid only for the length of their stay. Your delivery arrives. You can either let them in remotely.
Hi, who is it?
Package delivery.
Oh great, I'll unlock it for you.
Or, if they are one of our registered service providers, they will automatically receive a one-time passcode, valid for the scheduled delivery day only. Your small business is closed, but you still need to get deliveries. Gate lets you not only control who comes in, but it also keeps track of each person who comes to your door and notifies you, if you choose. The challenge of Gate was to create a system within a single, easy-to-install device. Gate was created by a team of successful engineers who were leading projects at Sandia National Lab, Qualcomm, and Google. After 2 years of prototyping, Gate teamed up with the award-winning design firm Boxclever to create a product that is not only functionally robust, but beautifully designed. Gate is easy to install, secure, and easy to use. Gate, protecting what's inside and connecting what's outside securely.
Ultraloq UL1 is a perfect smart lock for everyone. Your smart home starts with Ultraloq Smart Lock. Ultraloq UL1 is solid and compact, but integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies. Thanks to dual battery technology, you can simply replace batteries even from outside. You can use fingerprint, keycard, or smartphone to unlock. Ultraloq Bridge allows you to share access and control your Ultraloq remotely. It is simple to install with just a screwdriver. Ultraloq. Simplify your security.